Welcome to America's premier construction network. Why not upgrade your life with that new color or enhance your home or business with a fresh new look with the pros who know at Hire a Pro. HireAPro.org is your local source for qualified contractors and handymen nationwide, from simple tasks and repairs to custom remodeling. The Hire a Pro Construction Network is designed to offer you our premier project assurance, which means your project or repair tasks get the top priority it deserves by pros who know. When you want expert service, affordable prices, and a national corporation that stands behind your personal experience, then Hire a Pro is the way to go. Our project managers offer you two ways to get the best customer experience: by giving you a custom dashboard to manage and control your project directly if you want total control of your project experience. Or you can have Hire a Pro prepare, manage, and employ your contractor for you, which offers you a double security guarantee, where Hire a Pro will ensure project completion, contractor compliance, insurance requirements, code compliance, and billing. Finding a contractor, negotiating prices, and ensuring that the job gets done right is a big task, even for the most experienced general contractors. So that's why it's important that you choose a company that not only offers you the best platform for finding a contractor or handyman, but also stands behind you by ensuring your projects are completed to your total satisfaction. Hire a Pro is owned and operated by national general contractor and construction management CEO Aaron Jones through his National Construction Corporation, Hire a Pro Construction Corp. HireAPro.pro. So you not only get the security of knowing your project is secure, you get peace of mind by having real contractors who know the industry and professional installation procedures. Plus, Hire a Pro is your consumer advocate by ensuring your experience is handled professionally and within the guidelines you desire. If for any reason your customer experience is not what you expected, Hire a Pro will step in at your request and smoothly navigate you to a satisfying completion. Click to post your project now and enjoy the premium services of hiring a professional contractor. With Hire a Pro's network of professional handymen and contractors, you don't have to ever go it alone. HireAPro.org and HireAPro.pro. When you want to find it, fix it, or repair it, Hire a Pro is the way to go. Don't just hire any contractor. Hire a Pro.